In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Shopify theme without losing content. Okay, so in order to do this, the first thing you want to do is you want to go to the left menu, then go ahead and select on online store just like so. And what I personally recommend that you guys do is to back up your current store just in case. And in order to do that, all you need to do is press on these three dots, then go ahead and select on download theme file right over here. Then it is going to go ahead and send the download file to your email just like that. And this is always good practice just in case for whatever reason you want to go ahead and go back to your previous theme. But anyways, what you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and scroll down and find a new theme that you would like to use for your website. So let's say for this video, we wanted to go ahead and use the feather theme. We can go ahead and just select on it just like so. Then you guys can select on this option that says try theme just like that. It is now going to go ahead and install the theme. Now, what's great about Shopify is that it is automatically going to keep all your products, your customers, your pages and blogs, your navigation, your domain, and settings automatically. You don't need to do anything like complicated or anything like that. It is automatically going to transfer all that information from your previous theme to your new theme. All right, there you go. And now it says just added. And what you guys can do from here is you can go ahead and select on customize. If you want to go ahead and change up the theme a little bit, make it your own, make it fit your brand and stuff like that. So, obviously here is where you would do all of the necessary changes and stuff like that. Okay, but once you went ahead and finish that, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on publish. And then it is going to say this is going to replace Clarity or whatever your current theme is. And then from there, you just want to go ahead and press on publish once you're 100% done that you want to go ahead and actually change the theme of your store. There you go, and it really shouldn't take that long. And then afterwards, go ahead and select on view your store just to see if it actually did work. And then, yep, as you're able to tell, it actually did get the job done. And we still do have all of our products right over here. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.